Hi, I'm Ewa Baska with Whissel Realty. Yes, that is a W in my name. It's pronounced like a V. Ewa, like forever, Ewa? Forever, Ewa? Enough of that. A little bit about me. I'm a marketer at heart, a real estate expert as my profession, and a hot sauce connoisseur. I'm originally from Chicago, but I traded in my snow boots and hot dogs for flip-flops and tacos. I love to cook and pretend like I'm on the Food Network beating Bobby Flay, or you can catch me on the beach with a mimosa watching my husband surf. My greatest joy in life is when I get to call a client and tell them they just sold their home, or they're the proud new owners of their dream home. There's no better feeling than making someone's dream come true. And I take my role very seriously. I'm not just an agent. I am your guide, I'm your advisor. You hire me because I'm the real estate expert. I do all the hard work for you. We try to make things as simple as possible, even if it is your first purchase or your 100th sale. So call me, DM me, text me, whatever it is, let's make your dreams come true. Again, I'm Ewa Baska with Whissel Realty.